Jingles 88
with two special guests,
aknot and
Jingles and Snowflake. And today we are doing a kind of, I don't know.
It's not really a challenge.
An experiment. Here, put it down right there.
Yeah.
So you see how we have an average size peep? Oh,
Yeah, a peep.
Yeah, average size peep. We're putting it on a plate and putting it in the microwave for 10 seconds and seeing what happens. Okay, so that's its normal size. Alright, I don't know how to work this thing because I have a different one. So. Alright, I'll hold it.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. And we have to clean up the microwave if it explodes. I'm scared. I am really scared. Can you see it? Yeah. Oh, it's on.
Look.
Oh, look at it! Let's keep putting it in.
Yeah.
Look, wait, show the camera. This is like a science experiment for school.
10
So it
seconds.
got a little bit bigger and it's melty.
How do you know all of this? I've done it before.
Alright.
Wait, let me go get something.
Why did you do it?
Wait, because somebody told me what it would do.
That is so cool. So hey teachers, if you're watching this.
Where's the step stool?
And students.
Where's the step stool? Because I can't see it.
We're just being crazy right now. So.
it's in the garage.
Darn.
I'll get it.
Darning.
Right.
I'm being really weird right now. And it's raining. Of course it is. Of course it's raining. It's just
Right, okay, pick it up.
Pick it up.
Abby.
pick it up.
Okay, I'll pick it up.
We have that same one. Alrighty, tidy. Is it come with the paint all over it?
No.
We have it like that. Alright.
We have the paint all over it too. Haha.
Can you see it? Here, how about you video since you're up there? Because I can't see it. Look at it! Look at it! Oh, it's getting fat! Take it out! Oh!
Okay, 10 more.
10 more, and we're gonna see it until it melts. Here, you video since you're up there. And I'm trying to see. We should really be up there since we can't see. All I can see is the reflection of the. Look at it! It's turning into a stubby thing. I want to see it. I want to see it. I can't see it.
That's enough because it could
It could.
Good.
It could what? 5 more seconds.
Fire.
Do you have a fire extinguisher or whatever it's called?
Let's do 10 more and that's it.
Just. Is it going to? Oh! Wait,
And that peep is pretty much destroyed.
Alright, that's it.
Alright,
Okay, I
take
guess
it down, take it down.
That's it.
And we're gonna, can we do another one? Can we just eat it?
And this is what happens if you put peep in for about 40 seconds.
Wait, let's taste test it.
It's like burning.
Let's taste it. It should be like a roasted marshmallow.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Where's the marshmallow?
Let me try.
It's hot. Yeah, and yeah, it's exactly.
Mmm.
New campfire.
Ew. You don't like it?
Not like how it's
I
hot.
like it. It's just
Gooey.
yeah.
And it smells burnt.
It looks burnt. That's it for this video, guys.
Bye.
We will be making more videos of like
Oh, look at it!
putting stuff in a microwave.
Look at it!
Yeah. So, bye.